All right, Thomas Hobbes. Okay, now Thomas Hobbes is a philosopher at this time period who believes that people are naturally, okay, so without any inclination from any influence outside, people are naturally selfish, people are naturally cruel, and that people are naturally greedy, okay? And this idea all comes out in his book called Leviathan. It was published in 1651. In this book, Hobbes talks about the fact that he believes people are naturally cruel, selfish, and greedy, and that laws are needed if you would like to prevent conflict. If you do not have these laws in place, people are naturally going to be stealing from one another, killing one another in order to have their basic needs taken care of. According to Hobbes, he believes that life is nasty, it is brutish, and it is short. Okay, life is not good. People are violent and almost like cavemanish to that point, and life does not last for very long. Additionally, he believed that governments are created in order to protect people from their own selfishness. So the idea of government, according to Thomas Hobbes, is that the government is going to enact laws which are going to be used to protect people from their own selfishness. For example, the government will make a law saying that it is illegal to steal from other people. This is because if we do not have this law, people are naturally going to go about and steal because people are naturally selfish, cruel, and greedy, their own selfishness. So Hobbes believes the government is created in order to protect people from their own selfishness. Additionally, okay, it is important because he was the first thinker to apply reason to politics. So the way of rationalizing kind of, okay, here's what happens, here's what we can see, here's what I think is going to happen. He's the first person to go and to apply this theory to a political front compared to other people before, not really looking at politics and government all that really at all. And then Hobbes is going to come in and say, no, we can apply these same theories into government. He's going to do these based upon his own observations. So number one, based off things he's learned by observing human nature. Humans are naturally evil, according to Hobbes. They're making bad decisions. They're naturally going to do this. And then reasoning. If humans are naturally evil, we have to have something that keeps people from doing these natural things. Right now, we have a society where humans are naturally evil, according to Hobbes. And then we have a government which makes laws allowing people not to act upon these. And there are some good things happening. So these laws are made in order to protect people and preserve humans from their evil nature. That is all on Thomas Hobbes. We'll talk about John Locke next. Comment down below for any questions.